Sun makara sai samun shekara.
I don't understand. Where this guy come enter now? I don't even understand this guy. When he know say Christmas remain 2 days. Kai. If like say this guy they play with me, Audu. This guy no know me. Now bad boy have you. He go come meet me for here.
Malam, Audu, where you there? Come give me my cloth, oh. If not, I go sit down for your head. I go hand you.
Madam, calm down now. Which one? You want to remove the door?
No, na Christmas.
Me too, my clothes they inside.
You know me now?
Calm down.
You never know me today. I go show her who I be. You never know who I be.
Madam, calm down. Me too, I go show him. That's who he be.
Okay.
This man!
What is it?
Okay, thank God for this new shop. Oh.
It's a good.
Okay, you know say that for my shop. Okay, you know say we chop people cloth for that shop. Jesus!
We have to survive. I hope.
Okay,
those people who don't chop their crowd, don't say they go they look for us up and down now.
Okay, you know they go find us.
They don't go see us.
You see her?
Where they go see us?
Okay, but you dey try you. Try you dey chop people cloth. You know, okay, the two will shock me. Now that man wait as him could so suit for him. Because so one hand, the hand that suit, the other hand can do like singlet.
This life, you know, balance. Everything cannot be balanced. I have to sew it like that for you.
This new shop fine.
No problem. This is my dish. You know, be boxer. We go show. Good afternoon, Mr. Johnson.
Don't Mr. Johnson me. Where is my clothes?
Where is this clothes?
Okay, where is his clothes?
I've given you this clothes now since 2 months ago.
I can explain.
You can explain what?
There is traffic in my.
How many months? You want make I join you too?
Wallahi, it's a traffic. It's a traffic, wallahi. The traffic for my. Wallahi, my machine get up on coronavirus. I beg you, don't be.
This man!
They crazy. They beat me for here. Don't be do anything. What kind of practice I don't be?
Thank God, they never spoil your kidney. Your kidney.
Wallahi, my concussion is paining me. Carry me out. And I know you say more no chop them and clothes. Say me go chop up.
You tell me if I go back, I go sell am 5,000. You see the
Get that come up for my side. I go soon pursue you for this soap. Come out. I was so close. Come up for there. Wallahi, my concussion. Oh my God.
Me for here.
This man. Gentlemen, well done.
Okay, well done.
Where is this man?
We don't know.
This man, why is he doing like this now? The cloth where I give him, he no gree swan. Oh my God.
Okay, tomorrow na Christmas. The expensive clothes I give. I want to go show.
Oh my brother.
You just call lock him for here.
I think make I call him. Ma call him safe.
Are you okay? This boy. They make me they cry for this shop.
Okay, that man beat you.
What do you mean?
The man beat you like say you don't die.
This boy.
Sorry.
What did I do you?
Sorry.
Why can't they make no can they cry?
Sorry. Now the way the man beat you.
But the man beat me up.
Sorry.
It's okay, no problem. Hello?
Hello, where you there? You never still saw my cloth, abi?
You there for my old shop? I know they do that old shop. I know they do physical contact again. Social distance. I'm now in online. Yes, I'm the online tailor now. If you want to do business with me, send your clothes online.
You don't do online. What do you sew online? Okay, for your information, you get one mala, one bring, can't give you. And the guy tell me, say, now 40,000 and I ain't go give you for each one cloth.
40,000? How many? 15. That is 40,000 times 15. I beg, drop out for that shop. Hey, I go save my carriers. Yes, my carriers. They go bring their post office boss. They could go carrier for the clothes.
So since you say you do online, I go carry the cloth. They go now.
No, my online, I still they do physical one. You know, we say I don't turn to online completely.
70 years old, man.
Yes, thank you. Okay, market I don't come. Shebi, you know that old shop where we did down. before, where we did before.
Okay, yeah, that one will dey for that.
They
side.
don't bring Alaji Shehu clothes down. Each one na 40,000 naira we go swam. Che, don't hear me now.
Okay, I don't hear
You go there now, you go bring them from there. After you don't bring them, come here, we go back we go sell them.
Okay, no problem. I begin to go now.
They go. That's my boy. They go.
Give me the transport.
You dey create me, they get Trekaholic.
Wetin go happen? Una go prepare. You go the shop where you dey. You don't tell me where we go. No
problem.
No worry. You go provide am. When we reach there, you go know who we be. Una no worry. You don't tell me where you dey. As I dey carry una dey go, we go there. Come on, make we go. Una no worry.
Oga.
Eh? You don't come? Wait.
Oga, this road plenty o.
I know. Money don't come. Carry on.
Oga, that show clothes.
That's my boy.
The cloth plenty. The money go plenty o.
We are rich. Make I open now. Jesus. Now go, now don't bring out this shop. Now go. This. Now you carry this thing come oh.
Na kaya na I carry come.
What you want be kaya? Why people come out for inside this clothes? I don't know, so that this tailor work that he go kill me one day. And now you go cost the way where I go take it die.
Na kaya I go carry now.
You don't finally cost my date now.
Jesus!
Hey, this woman don't go. I beg you, Mokuda, no best. Say I go return your clothes, I swear. Say make you go see how I go bring her tomorrow.
Oga go try best. Go bring her for that.
I notice say these people they go gree oh. Just take care of my wife and my family. Tell her that I die as a legend. A legend tailor.
You won't die with that?
Yes. You know they see their face.
Oga, beg.
Don't be my ATM card with this.
Before you die, beg, give me your ATM pin.
Oh my days.
Which kind of man be you be? Even at dying point, this boy. I know say that you go kill me at last.
Before you
What
die
could I
now.
come and kill me?